Hello and welcome to the Twitcher Life podcast, the show that talks all about birds and bird watching. I am the president of Twitcher Life, Arnav. Today, me as well as the founder of Twitcher Life, Susmita, are going to discuss bird identification. Hello Susmita, are you ready?
Hi Arnav, yes, I'm ready.
The question is though, what is bird identification? Bird identification is the science of recognizing individual birds based on their unique characteristics. Think of it as learning to distinguish different faces in a crowd, but for birds.
Identifying birds isn't just about learning their names, it's about seeing the bigger picture. Once you know who is who, you start noticing all kinds of cool things, like how they move, what they eat, and the sounds they make. You begin to appreciate the little details, like how their beaks are shaped for certain foods, or how their wing patterns help them blend in or stand out. In the end, knowing birds helps you feel more connected to nature right in your own backyard.
And for those looking to contribute to scientific understanding, your bird identification skills can even play a vital role in citizen science initiatives, helping researchers track bird populations and understand their changes over time. Thank you, Susmita, for sharing the information. We will be right back for more information. Hello and welcome back. Me and Susmita have been discussing bird identification.
You might be thinking, why learn to identify birds when apps can do it for you? The truth is, there are lots of great reasons. Just like knowing the names of flowers make a garden more special, knowing which birds you're looking at turns a quick glance into something more meaningful. It helps you enjoy and understand what you're seeing on a whole new level.
Learning to identify birds is also a fantastic way to develop new skills and expand your knowledge of the natural world. It sharpens your observation skills, hones your memory, and connects you to the intricate web of life around us. Perhaps the most importantly for many, the ability to identify birds becomes a gateway to caring more deeply about their conservation. When you recognize and appreciate these creatures, you naturally become more invested in their well-being and the protection of their habitats.
And don't forget how fun it is. Bird watching, especially when you know how to identify birds, is a calm and interesting hobby. It helps you slow down, notice more, and enjoy the little things in nature all around you.
Thank you, Susmita, for sharing a conversation about bird identification with me. Hope our listeners like the topic and share it with bird lovers. So, with that, we have reached the end of the podcast. If you want to reach us out, follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The channel's name is Trisha Life. Thank you so much for listening. Peace!